the canoe?
It's good.
Here we are. What's this island called? Goat Island. So here we are in the Cotswolds, Lake 32. Because we've got our Tahiti Plus, I'd never have come here otherwise. Also hired a paddleboard as well, and it's nice to be in a lake. Yeah, the Tahiti Plus is doing really well. We're all wearing life jackets. Still raining on Goat Island. Still raining. The Tahiti Plus, on the other hand, did really good. It was very stable. Felt good paddling over. Just wish we were in Tahiti.
I'm not really sure what the audio is really like on this. When you go through the water, you can definitely see bubbles coming out from the microphone holes. So we'll have to wait and see.
James is having a great time just paddling around. The water is super warm. And yeah, really good facilities here. And bought a new paddle as well, which is making all the difference. Dylan, I think, just fell in, probably intentionally. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2.